My name is Rick Renner, and today I'm giving you a tour of our Moscow TV offices. On this wall is the camera we first used when we started our TV ministry nearly 3 decades ago. And when I look at it, I'm amazed because it was a home video camera. But in this part of the world, there were not a lot of new high-tech equipment. So this was considered really advanced equipment back in those early days. And with this primitive camera, we began to film programming that was shown all over the former Soviet Union, and tens of thousands of people got saved through programs filmed on this little camera. And that's why it's hanging on our wall. It's not just decoration, it is very precious to us. I think about Job chapter 8, verse 7. It says, "Your beginning may have been small, but your end is fabulous." You know, when we all get started, we feel like we're starting very small. We may even think that our beginning is very primitive, and we might even be embarrassed about how we're beginning. But you have to begin somewhere, and if you're faithful with your beginning, God will keep blessing you and enabling to finally you'll become something significant. And when I look at this camera, I think about Job chapter 8, verse 7, though your beginning was small. Can you believe that was our beginning? In the end, it'll be all different. And my friends, if you'll be faithful with what God has put in your hand to do right now and use the resources you have, God will take it and make it something amazing. He'll make it fabulous. But that's why this camera hangs on the wall of our Moscow TV offices.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.